So this Christmas, I really wanted to buy myself this like Ralph Lauren suede schooly bag in beige, and I couldn't justify it. And I like had this whole moral dilemma because I'm like trying to have less things, not less purses, but less things. And then it sold out, then it was back in stock, and then blah blah, whatever. I didn't get it. Now it's totally sold out. But while I was on there, I was like, I'm gonna try and, you guys know Marie Kondo. She's like amazing, the life-changing art of tidying up. And her whole philosophy is don't keep things that don't spark joy. Have things that you treasure and that work for you instead of hanging on to things because you paid X for it and it still fits and it's in good condition. So along those lines, I was like, I need a coat that I can wear to work when it's like super chilly. That's not a blazer because I don't always feel like wearing a blazer. And so then I was on Ralph Lauren pining over my suede schoolie that was sold out, which is a cool bag. You should look it up. They still have it in black, just not beige. And then I saw this coat and I was like, I'm going to try it. Never bought anything from Ralph Lauren before. And I'll be honest with you, I totally forgot. And then I opened the box, but then I shut it super fast so that we could at least see what it looks like. And I assume purses would come equally amazing, and I still may get a Ralph Lauren purse at some point. But anyways, if anyone's wondering, look at how cute that is. Like, super cute. And then it says, thank you for ordering from RalphLauren.com. Our commitment to providing the finest products and service to our customers continues in the Ralph Lauren tradition. And so anyways, it's just very nicely wrapped. And it was like on quadruple sale because it was, it was Christmas and they had a winter sale and then there was like an extra 40% off. So I got this coat that was like a total, what I think to be is a total steal. And let's see. And free shipping, free returns. Dun, dun, dun. I think it's pretty cute. I kind of like it for, like, a lot of times for work. I'm out, like, walking around out in the elements and it's freezing. And so I'm somewhere in between, like, business casual and casual. And so I wanted a coat for that, like, weird little in-between space. And this is what I got. And they did have it petite. So I'll put it on and I'll tell you what I think. One of the things I really liked was it's machine washable. I hate dry cleaning clothes. This is weird. It has this like faux leather trim, which I'm not into, but I actually think it looks more like almost like a slick down than faux leather, so I'm okay with it. But anyways, here it is. Quick unboxing.